That's a Russian memorial to all the sailors that died on the Arctic convoys, and the reason it's here will become apparent in a second. What we've got here is part of a complex that the Royal Navy had installed here. I mean, look at the hills in the background. That's the Torridon Mountains in the background. It is such a beautiful place. It must be one of the most gorgeous places in God's good earth. And this is the complex of old gun emplacements and watchtowers. And the reason that they're all here is, this is Lochewe. And out there where these boats are is where the Arctic convoys formed up with their escorts and then set out to Russia. Over 3,000 men died on the Arctic convoys, mostly merchant seamen. You just can't imagine how horrific it must have been for the guys. This place is so beautiful and benign on a day like this that it must have been hellish in the winter months. Testament to that is just around the coastline there, just the other side of that headland, there was an American ship. It was so close to the safe harbour. Apparently it was one of the worst storms of the century. It just smashed against the rocks. And only 14 out of about 80 men survived. And they only survived because a wee woman called Mackenzie and some of the local people here managed to get them ashore, treat them before the Navy came and got the guys.